Welcome. You've made space for stillness. This moment is yours. Let everything else fade. Let yourself arrive. Settle into a comfortable space. Your bed, the floor, your cushion, whatever invites ease. Feel your body gently supported. Let go of holding. Close your eyes. Hands rest softly over your heart. Feel warmth. Feel rhythm. This is your inner home. This is your center. Notice how you feel right now. No need to fix. No need to change. Just witness. If your breath feels shallow, just let it be. If your heart feels heavy, honor the weight. Your presence is enough. You are already enough. Let the muscles in your face soften. Relax your brow, unclench your jaw, soften your throat. Feel the wave move downward, your shoulders, your back, your chest. Let gravity cradle you. Now bring your awareness to breathe. Feel air flowing in. Feel it move out. Let breath lead the way. Breathe in calm. Breathe out resistance. Inhale stillness. Exhale weight. Picture a soft glow just above your head. A gentle white light. It radiates peace. Let that light enter you through your crown, down your spine, through your arms, into your hands. Let it reach your heart, let it heal your chest, let it soften your belly, let it fill your legs. Notice yourself now, still, present, aware. You have shown up for yourself. Even if today was heavy, even if you were uncertain, you still arrived. That matters. Let's invite a mantra, one that feels like home. Repeat softly in your mind. I am here. I am whole. I am safe. Let each repetition calm your body. Let each breath carry its message. Let each pause be healing. Remember something good. A moment you felt loved. A time you felt calm. Let that memory warm you. You've been here before. You'll return again. Peace is part of you. It never left. As you move from this practice, carry gentleness with you. Speak kindly to yourself. Move softly in your day. You are strong. You are gentle. You are whole. Thank you for being here, for choosing stillness, for choosing you. Namaste.